Well, hello YouTube. This is your man right here, jwsolarusa. I just want to film a quick video for you with all the um, minus 21 degrees um, cold today, and wind chill was 25 to 40 below zero. And this is what is happening right now. At least finally the sun came out. And I'm gonna be showing you guys my power production today. If you just watch that video, you will see what I'm talking about here. And I'm not going outside, trust me folks, I'm not going outside. I'm just filming this right by the window, and just to show you guys, look at the snow, heavy snow all the way down there, and look at the pine trees. And I want to show you guys some cool stuff right there, ice crystals right on the roof. You can see some ice crystal right on the FTA, free to air satellite television antenna right there, and it's still doing pretty good job. If you haven't seen that video, just check it out. FTA satellite by JW Solar USA, and this satellites can give you all the cool stuff you want for your off the grid and grid tied or solar system. If you just want to be self sufficient or whatever. And this is how things are working right now. Here comes the snow right here, folks, and everything, and it's gonna be cold. And the only we're gonna be going to a single digit by midnight of Monday. Okay, so that's the only time we're gonna be going. The highest temperature, the highest we can go today is -2. All right, let's check the um, the off-grid system, what it's doing with the power production for today. And unfortunately the sun came out now, and it's off all the way from the panels. But anyway, this is how things are working right now. So far so good, folks. I reset the meter right here, and energy collected today is 179 watt. It says right there from the array. Here is the time right now. You can see that it's 15:20 hours, the 12th month, the 18th Sunday, 74 degrees in the house. So folks, here is the Outback FlexMax 60 MPPT charge controller. Folks, this is all the system has been doing today, and we finally made it to 200 watts plus. So that's all we produce for today. You know, it's better than nothing. And the batteries are sitting at the SOC at a voltage of 51.9 volts right here. And there's the charge controllers right here. I have a classic and a Outback power system. Two great charge controllers made in USA. So folks, I'll pan here and show you guys right here from the mate, and you will see it says 4 amps, and today's production is 0.2 kilowatt hours, and you can tell output amps, so it's gonna say 0.010 kilowatts, so that means a 10 watt 51.9 has the mate right there. So folks, and you guys can see, okay, this is the FX3048MT. This is a mobile version, and you guys can see all this system is still doing pretty good. And just want to show you guys my production for today. I want to make sure that I trickle charge my batteries, whatever it is, whatever I can get, I can utilize that. You know, when it comes to off-grid, and it comes to batteries, come to solar, whatever you can get, even no sunlight, ambient, so it still works. So I just want to share this with you guys. It's not like a long video, it's just an update and see how the system is doing. And even though we struggle with all that, and we still maintain some power. So it's just about to use the power very wisely and very efficient. So efficient devices you running. You don't need any energy guzzlers. You don't need anything that takes a lot of power. And if you don't need something, you don't need your TV. Your TV don't supposed to be on. Turn it off. Chargers. Standby devices tend to take some power. And I recommend sometimes if you are not using, you don't have any load draw, and you don't think you need an inverter, powering your house, so you don't need any power. But folks, I have a 12-volt DC for lighting and something. I can still have my lights and all that kind of stuff. But if I don't need a TV and freezers, deep freezers already refrigerated or frozen, I shut down the inverter for a while, especially collecting power at this particular weather. So everything counts, so I can able to utilize more of the power at night or when I need that. So you just have to be more really proactive and creative on things you do when you're trying to be off-gridder, or when you're trying to uh, save more money, or live wisely. So some of the things that you don't need, instead of being plugged, sitting there just like it's fun or whatever, light and some cool stuff, whatever, picture frame sliding things and laptops, charging stations. You don't need all that at that time if everything